If you've upgraded to iOS 17 and your WhatsApp keeps closing, you're not alone. Many users have reported this issue, and it seems to be a common bug with the new update. There are a few things you can try to fix the problem. The first thing you have to do is to restart your iPhone. This is often the simplest and most effective solution for minor software glitches. So take time to restart your iPhone and see if that fixes the problem. Just press and hold the side key and either of the volume buttons until the slider appears. Drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. After a few seconds, hold down the side key again until the logo shows. Another thing you might need to do is to update WhatsApp, or just make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. You can check for updates in the App Store. If none of these solutions work, then uninstall and reinstall the app. This is a more drastic measure, but it can often fix problems that can't be resolved by other methods. To uninstall WhatsApp, tap and hold the WhatsApp app icon on your home screen, then tap Delete App. To reinstall WhatsApp, go to the App Store and download the app again. We hope this video can be helpful. Thanks for watching.